you have been like you wanna to do your website SEO in your local state wise or national wise?
Well, I just want to rank on Google by certain keywords, like handyman near me, painters in Tampa, those kind of keywords.
Okay, I got the point. So that it means like it's a local SEO.
Yes, local SEO,
So
correct.
people when they put some keyword, Mujay, just do mute when I will talk. Just you do mute, man. So is that means like when people search, then they will find us on our specific keyword. Okay, we got the
Yes,
point.
correct.
Basically, for local SEO, we charge monthly 300 to 350. So overall, 4 months takes time. So as you told the Tariq, like it's all about like you agree with like $700-800 basic. Like when you go with the professional person and get a good result, so deserve a good result, then obviously it seems like monthly minimum 250 to 300 for local SEO was okay.
Okay. And, how soon would you be able to start, and how soon will the keywords be ranked?
Okay, so we will first we have to like audit your websites. Then we have to fix the one page SEO. After fixing the one page SEO first month, second month we will start working backlink and posting on some blogs and content. Then from the third month it will start working, and fourth month it comes on the like a first page. So now your question is how many keyword comes on the first page, right? So
Yeah.
we cannot guarantee that all keyword comes in the first page in the first month. So we will focus main 2 3 keywords. Then on the basis of that keyword, we will write down a good blog site and which would be like attached with your website. So when they search and they got our blogs, a lot of people comes to the website. Then it the process of ranking of the websites, and gradually like we will focus 1 2 keyword first, then rest on thing like next month we will pick up suppose one page like dr rate is like now is 70 position, so it jump in gradually day by day. So within 5 6 months it comes like 3 to 4 4 keywords on first page, like that.
Okay, okay. And are you positive that you can get it ranked? Because there is a lot of competitions, in my local area.
Listen, competition is always there, right? Everywhere. You cannot tell like, hey, I am doing this business and I don't have any competitor. So competition is everywhere. We have to pick up the perfect keywords, perfect blogs. We have to properly optimize our one page SEO first. Then we can focus on the blog site and like our some backlinks. So once one page is working, Google My Business working, our YOLO page, Yelp page, all the local listing is done, then gradually it would be like match with the all section, then it would be start to ranking. That's the things.
Okay. So after the 6 month, are you gonna continue working, or that's another contract?
Well, so when 6 month is done, then we have to keep continue. Like we will like some give you some discount, like 30% or 35%, because if you not keep continue, then your website will go down day by day. Okay, so you're all 4 5 6 month gone down, like gone. So we have to keep continue because your competitor is a strong point, is stronger than us. So if you fix or if you like just step down, then gradually again it would be down. So we if you want, then we can also work on your social media side, your video editing, your like social media content posting manager. So basically we are doing everything as a agency.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and how much is that?
Okay, so for SEO purpose, we'll if you start with us, then we'll charge you like 250 per month. So every month in advance, like suppose we start from January, so you have to pay through PayPal or the other Wise or directly bank in USA. So we have an account. You have to pay every month first. and then if you want to add your social media site, like, hey Johnny, you can manage also my social media if you need paid ad or some content, so we can add like some other extra like 150, so total 400 monthly. We will manage your everything, like paid ad to content, video editing, like one to content, everything. We can give you a checklist, then you can see, including one package, we can manage your everything.
Okay, so we can start with the SEO, the local SEO first for 250, you
Yeah,
said?
yeah, 250
And
monthly.
yeah, and I want to see what results I will be getting from there.
Yeah.
And before we continue doing any other projects and stuff. And when would you guys be able to start?
Yeah, so we'll continue reporting, like monthly, two times report. What was your previous condition? What is your present condition? What we are doing, so that you can get an idea how is going, because you are paying, so you have to know at least what is going here, right? So we can make a WhatsApp group chat, then you can get all our reporting, stop everything, and then we can keep continue first 4 5 months. Once it done, then you can check how it's going, then we can add another our services. So as well as we can add that time social media or paid ad or some like blogs, video editing, something like that, social media manage everything, we can and going to help you.
Okay, perfect. Sounds good. So you can go ahead and make the group on
Yeah,
WhatsApp.
on WhatsApp we can make a group. So I'll describe everything, I'll be the project manager, and you will get everything in right time.
Okay, awesome. And also let me know how to make the payment.
Okay.
And so I can, take care of it as well. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. তারেক, তোমার কাছে তো হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ আছে না?
জি ভাই, জি।
ওকে, একটা গ্রুপ করে দাও আমাকে নিয়ে, দেন আমরা
জি।
ঠিক। ওকে ওকে, ইমানুয়েল, ইউ ক্যান গো নাও।
Okay, thank you. Bye
থ্যাংক
bye.
ইউ, বাই। আচ্ছা, এইটা তোমার হচ্ছে ইয়া করে দাও, হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে গ্রুপ করে দাও। আর হচ্ছে কাজ কি তোমরা করবা নাকি আমাকে করতে হবে, কোনটা?
হ্যাঁ, আমি আর তারিক ভাই করবো। হ্যাঁ, আর সমস্যা হলে আপনাকে জানাবো।
ঠিক আছে। এইটা ওকে বন্ধ করো তো মাইক্রোফোন। তোমাদের গিয়া কথা কত হয়েছিল? $700।
আমরা হচ্ছে 3 মাসের জন্য $1000 করেছিলাম।
ওই তারেক, মাইক্রোফোন বন্ধ করো মিয়া।
ভাই আমি বলি না, আমি হুট করে দিয়ে ভাড়া করছি আপনার।
হ্যাঁ, তো মাইক্রোফোনটা বন্ধ করো।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
ঠিক আছে। 4 মাসের জন্য কত করেছো?
3 মাসের জন্য 1000 আমরা বলেছিলাম, উনি 700 বলছিল।
আচ্ছা, 700 বলছিল, এখন তো রাজি করে দিলাম। হেড মিস্ত্রি ফি দিয়ে
রাজি হলো।
1000 রাজি হলো বলতে কি 4 মাস তোমার মান্থলি 250 করে। 1000।
আচ্ছা, উনি এখন হচ্ছে কি করতে চাচ্ছে কোনটা?
এখন এসইও করবে, লোকাল এসইও করবে, কিওয়ার্ডের উপরে হচ্ছে তোমরা ফাইন করবা। কি কি বিজনেস?
ওনার বিজনেস হচ্ছে ফ্লোরিং, পেইন্টিং।
পেইন্টিং, এটা সহজ, কম্পিটিটর আছে হার্ড, তাই বললো কাজ করতে পারবা তোমরা। তারে কি এসইওর কাজ করে?
জি।
আচ্ছা, শুরু করো, সমস্যা নাই।
জি, আমি আর উনি একসাথেই করি।
ঠিক আছে
ভাই, আপনার সাথে দেখা করবো রাতে।
আচ্ছা, এসব সমস্যা নাই। ঠিক আছে, ওকে।
ঠিক আছে ভাই, তাহলে আমরা গ্রুপ করে দিচ্ছি।
ঠিক আছে। ওকে।